Well, hi everyone. I'm Judy Elliott here with Lily now at the Trunk of Man, and we have some great items to talk about today. I can't believe when I walked in here today how wonderful this fragrance is. Tell me a little bit about overall what you have here at Trunk of Man.
We have apparel and we have grooming. We have men's and women's clothing. We have beard oils and beard care products. We just have a little bit of everything.
And it's so natural. Everything's organic, right, when it comes to what some of the items we're going to be talking about.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. Let's talk about, first of all, I want to talk about these wonderful fragrance bars. Or tell me a little bit about these.
The soap,
Yeah.
that piece of soap is white jasmine blossom, and it has natural mica in it, and that's what gives it the shimmer, but it really helps you get clean,
Right.
and it smells great.
They all smell great, and they have their unique fragrance to all of them.
Yes.
Tell me about this one.
That one is watermelon lemonade, and it has little watermelon seeds in it, and so it helps exfoliate the skin and helps you get like extra clean.
Right. Now you have the oils with them, right?
Those are
these
beard
are-
oils.
Okay.
And that helps like hydrate the skin under the beard because obviously I don't have a beard, but men have beards, and it helps hydrate the skin underneath so they don't get so dry
Okay.
and makes the beard softer.
Right. Now, going along this one, what is this one?
That is Lavender Fusion, and it has lavender in it, so it just helps you go to sleep faster and helps you feel extra calm and just get super
I
relaxed.
love it. What about this one?
That one is Sunset Lake, and it's just really pretty, and it smells awesome. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah, they're all awesome. And the oils here.
That is pre-shave oil, and it like helps open your pores more and like helps soften the skin and the hair before you shave.
Right. I love it. Now, you know, not only do you have products for men because of naturally it's Trunk of Man, but you also have these products in all these different fragrances for women as well. Can you
Yes.
and you have a lot of women that shop here for themselves.
Yes, we have a lot of women come in. They'll start shopping for the men, and then
They end up.
they end up shopping for themselves more.
I love it. Not only all the wonderful organic fragrances here with the bars, but you have variety of T-shirts, hats, and tell me about some of the items that you carry.
We have raglans and short sleeve tees, and then we have some hats and some beanies, and then we have some joggers that we're trying to get rid of right now, and then we have our M1, which is always on sale for $5.
Wow. If you want something really unique, come to Trunk of Man. I'm telling you, you're going to find some great items here. Just been here, how long have you opened here in downtown Dalton? Just a couple months?
15 weeks, I
15
think.
weeks. Okay, great. Well, listen, our time's up. Thank you so much, Lily, for being with us here today. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Andy.
And I'm Alex.
We're here at Adventures Books and More today to talk to you about some of the things that we have. First off, we're going to talk about our local author section. We have a variety of genres from true crime to Christian fiction up to sci-fi fantasy. Also, we are the only retailer, a full-line retailer of Habelis Bush Tools. We've got everything from large knives to small knives and a variety of backpacking and camping gear. And I'm going to pass this over to Alex, and he's going to talk to you a little bit more about our wargaming section and our role-playing section.
Let me show you a couple new things we didn't have the last time we did an infomercial. We've added a lot of used role-playing books now, and this section continues to grow. This is something Andy and I have both been interested in for years, and we look forward to being able to supply these things for people around the area. And the newest addition to Adventurers Books and More, we now sell Games Workshop products. Warhammer 40K, Age of Sigmar, Necromunda, Shadespire. Games Workshop's been around since the mid-'80s. They make just a ton of fun games. There are millions of people that participate in this hobby, have a good time. We have hobby nights here on Thursdays. We're building a gaming space in the back. It's just a very, very interesting and fun thing to try out.
Hey, just wanted to remind you we're located at 267 North Hamilton Street in downtown Dalton. You can check out our Facebook page for the hours of operation. I'm going to pass it over to Alex, and he's going to talk to you about our spring open house special.
During the spring open house, we'll be doing our 5 for 4 sale that we've done a couple of times before. Any 4 books you buy, you'll be able to get a 5th book for equal or lesser value for free. We'll also be doing 15% off on all the Games Workshop products during that time. Hope to see all of you downtown.
Well, our next stop here is Raspberry Row, and I'm talking with Krista. And Krista, I know you've got a lot of things you're going to be showing and sale during the spring sale on March 16th and 17th.
Yes, we've got lots of new spring merchandise coming in every day. Great things for your home, things for the kids' Easter baskets. You know, it's not too early to start thinking about Mother's Day, graduation, Easter, but just so many new things to see.
That's right. And I do want to tell everyone real quickly, you do have a bridal registry, so don't forget about that at Raspberry Row.
Yes, we do have a bridal registry. We set up a table for each bride with the items that they've chosen, along with the picture and their list. And we also put those registries online, so if you can't make it to the shower or if someone out of town, you can include that link on your invitation, and then they can just say pick up at Raspberry Row, and we'll take care of getting the gift to the bride.
Great, and always beautiful packaging as well. I love it
Thank
when
you.
you give something with Raspberry Row.
like
All right, let's go around here and show what you've got a beautiful display here.
All kinds of things. Of course, the rewind candles for the home. One thing I wanted to mention was that we have lampshades, and we also do electrical lamp repairs, and we've been doing that now for nearly 20 years, and but that's not something that a lot of people know.
That's right.
So,
Yeah, that's great. Great job on that too, I will say.
thank you. We've got some great melamine serving bowls and trays for spring, because thankfully it's getting warm enough to entertain and eat outdoors. If you're lucky enough to go to the beach on spring break, we've got some great new cover-ups for the little ones, for toddlers and babies. We're showing the flamingo pattern, but there's also a pattern for the boys. Great bibs, and Jellycat Easter bunnies, or bunnies in general, are always a favorite.
Right. You know, I love the place setting here that you have here. I love this. Grays and clean.
Yeah,
right?
Casafina, very sturdy and always beautiful colors and patterns.
Okay. I know you mentioned also about the bags you have here. You have some great handbags.
So excited about these beautiful bags. They are made by Canoe, which is in Blue Ridge, Georgia. Fantastic quality, beautiful bags. This is a great backpack that zips on the side. And then we also have the leather totes, and we have a gray suede one. Big pieces, small pieces, but I just encourage you to come in and see them, because they are absolutely beautiful.
This is a new item you're carrying now, right?
We've actually had it a little while, but a lot of people love it but don't realize that we have it yet, so come see what we have.
That's right. Now, as I look around the store, you have so many items. We're just showing a few things here on the table. What else are you wanting to spotlight?
Wonderful new, this is a jewelry line that we've had. Always new pieces, very reasonably priced. It's something that you can treat yourself to, and you don't feel guilty about it.
I love that. Tell me about this. I love this as well.
The Scout coolers, this is the pleasure chest in a new pattern called Oxford Blues. That makes a wonderful teacher's gift, or a great little cooler to keep in your car, just to put things in when you make a quick trip to the grocery store but aren't going straight back home. Lots of lunch totes, coolers, duffel bag or tote bags, all kinds of things from Scout. It's a great line.
Right. And again, this is a great time, the spring sale, March the 16th and 17th, because you're going to have a lot of things 20% off.
We are. Most in-stock items will be 20% off, few exclusions. So a couple of big days. We're excited.
Definitely so. It's always a big day when you come out to Raspberry Road. You're going to, believe me, find something that you're going to go home with. It's just the way it happens.
We hope so. Lots of new things to see.
Now, tell me about this.
This is the Testamento wines. We do have a small wine boutique. We have the Testamento is out of Argentina, and we also have Georgia wines from Wolf Mountain and Carter Cay Vineyards.
You have a lot of things happening here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Krista, for letting us come out and visit with you today.
Thanks, Judy. Always good to see you.
Well, our next stop here is Jax Pond Gut, and I'm here talking with Brad. And Brad, hey, it's great being with you today, and we have got a lot to talk about. It's springtime. Downtown Dalton's having a lot of specials happening here. Shop local.
That's right.
And here you've got some great items as well, any time of the year, but springtime is what we'll kind of talk about a little bit today.
Sure, just appreciate you dropping in. Just glad for everybody to be shopping in historic downtown Dalton, and we've got some great spring specials. Of course, spring, going to the lake, going to the mountains, I think of Yeti. So if you're looking for anything Yeti, Jax is everything Yeti in downtown Dalton. So we have a large selection of the cups, the new mugs, the buckets, the coolers, the hard coolers, soft coolers, the ice, whatever you're looking for in Yeti, we have. So, of course, it's also tax season, too, for us here at Jax. So if you need a loan till your tax check gets here, come on down to Jax and we can fix you up with a cash loan. If you're looking to get your check cashed, we cash them for 1% or even for free with a minimum purchase. So just come in this spring to Jax Pond Gut.
My goodness, it's all happening here.
That's right, in downtown Dalton. That's correct.
We actually had to back up in a corner here because the store is so full here. Hey, let's talk about just overall what you carry.
Oh, my gosh. We have probably more jewelry than anyone in town. We have brand new chains in 10 karat and 14 karat. We also have unredeemed merchandise and chains, diamond rings. If you're looking for that engagement ring, we have lots of solitaires. And if you don't see what you like, we can mount up anything here at the store. I do all the repair. If you need a watch battery, we sell a lot of watch batteries. They're $6 at Jax, so everybody brings their watches in downtown. So firearms, have the largest selection of firearms. Of course, have the indoor range. If you're looking for that corporate party, if you're looking for just to come and shoot and have fun in the indoor range, Jax Range and Training is the place to come.
All right,
And
again,
you shot in there.
I know I have, and it's all happening here in downtown Dalton during the spring sale. That is March the 16th and the 17th, and great finds you're going to have here, unique places. Dalton is just a super place. Things are happening here, and you can find so many different shops around Dalton.
That's right. I mean, downtown Dalton is really changing a lot. A lot of things going on with the new parks being built across the road here. Jax Range and Training where folks can come shoot. Just a lot of different things going on in historic downtown Dalton.
All right. Hey, it's been a pleasure to
Thanks
stop
for
in.
dropping by.
Yeah, well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stay with us here in downtown Dalton.